I can afford a beautiful smile. I am warm inside. This is because when you watched this Hi guys, good morning. Even though it's a cold morning, it is a warm day for me because I am going to lots and lots of this, 3 bags full, and they are all in different sizes and they will definitely come in handy. So we have this, which we put the plants in, and then we put water, and it helps to keep it wet, right? We have this, all this is pots, not ceramic. Okay, and that's how practical it can be. And I got this little, this is what they use. They put sauce in this when you buy your food order, and they are perfect for this. These are seeds, which I will store them in here. So perfect, and it's got little seeds, and I can label that. Yeah. So thank you. I do thank you people for watching the videos and internalizing it, and also responding to the requests that I was making. I am actually surprised that somebody did hear, because it was just wrapped up in between my conversations. I'll definitely put all this into use, and in future I do believe that I shall show you what the outcome of all this. So asante sana. We will be going into gardening. There will be more content in gardening, so just walk with me. I'm out of words. Just walk with me, and thank you. Thank you. Enjoy yourself. Love you.